Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 2 Severe Weather Outlook. We have an enhanced risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses Central Texas. Alright, that's where we have the enhanced risk. Today's and tomorrow's enhanced include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, Plano, Texas, and Garland, Texas. There's a slight risk tomorrow covering parts of Texas, southern Oklahoma, southern half of Arkansas, northern Louisiana, and west central Mississippi. Cities and tomorrow's slight include San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, Shreveport, Louisiana, Little Rock, Arkansas, and Jackson, Mississippi. And areas in the dark green are in a marginal risk for severe weather tomorrow. Or the dark green is the marginal for tomorrow. Cities and tomorrow's marginal include Houston, Texas, Jacksonville, Florida, Memphis, Tennessee, New Orleans, Louisiana, and Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Going to tomorrow's tornado threat, there is a 2% chance of an isolated tornado tomorrow that encompasses northern Texas, southeastern Oklahoma, southwestern Arkansas, and northwestern Louisiana. The 2% tornado risk area tomorrow includes Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, Plano, Texas, and Garland, Texas. And now for tomorrow's wind threat, there is a 30% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, covering central Texas. The 30% wind risk area tomorrow includes Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, Plano, Texas, and Garland, Texas. There is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, covering parts of Texas, southeast Oklahoma, southern half of Arkansas, northern Louisiana, and west central Mississippi. The 15% wind risk area tomorrow includes San Antonio, Texas, Austin, Texas, Shreveport, Louisiana, Little Rock, Arkansas, and Jackson, Mississippi. Areas in the brown are in a 5% wind risk area tomorrow. Alright? Cities in the 5% wind risk tomorrow includes Houston, Texas, Jacksonville, Florida, Memphis, Tennessee, New Orleans, Louisiana, and Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, is level 1 of 3 on the wind intensity index for tomorrow. Alright? The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour stronger for thunderstorms tomorrow. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hurricane force wind gusts reaching or exceeding 74 miles per hour or stronger from thunderstorms tomorrow. Alright? I'm not saying there can't be hurricane force gusts outside the black dashed area. It's just the highest potential for the hurricane force wind gusts from thunderstorms will be within the black dashed area. Alright? Hurricane force meaning again 74 miles per hour or stronger. Alright? Areas outside the black dashed area, but still in the wind risk, could still see wind gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour. Alright, outside the black dashed area. Again, the black dashed area is the highest potential for the hurricane force wind gusts of 74 miles per hour stronger from thunderstorms tomorrow. Alright? Now for the hail threat, there is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter larger tomorrow. That encompasses parts of central Texas. Cities in the 30% hail risk area tomorrow include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, Plano, Texas, and Garland, Texas. There is a 15% hail risk tomorrow covering parts of Texas, southeast Oklahoma, northern Louisiana, southern half of Arkansas, and west central Mississippi. The 15% hail risk tomorrow includes Shreveport, Louisiana, Little Rock, Arkansas, Waco, Texas, Killeen, Texas, and Wichita Falls, Texas. And there are two areas where we have a 5% chance for hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. The brown areas are the 5% hail risk areas. for tomorrow, okay? Here's the 5% hail risk areas tomorrow include San Antonio, Texas, Jacksonville, Florida, Austin, Texas, Memphis, Tennessee, and Laredo, Texas. Now, if you look at the black dashed area, the black dashed area is level 1 of 2 on the hail intensity index. Alright? The black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for hail of 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger tomorrow. Alright? I'm not saying there can't be 2-inch hail outside the black dashed area. I'm not saying there can't be 2-inch hail outside the black dashed area. It's just the highest potential for the 2-inch hail or larger will be within the black dashed area. Areas outside the black dashed area are mainly 1 to 1.5 inches in diameter hail. Alright? So, shades in the black dashed area tomorrow include Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Arlington, Texas, Plano, Texas, and Garland, Texas. Alright, in summary, large hail, some in excess of 2 inches in diameter, and severe outflow gusts, potentially in excess of 75 miles per hour, will be possible Sunday afternoon and evening across parts of central and north Texas. So, that's your day 2 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, no matter what risk you're in. Alright? Stay safe tomorrow, no matter what risk you're in. Alright? Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I know tomorrow is Mother's Day, so many of you might be planning, brunch tomorrow, or, some activities like for Mother's Day, brunch, or, having picnic outside, whatever you do for Mother's Day. Have a way be notified for severe weather tomorrow. Have a plan in place to seek shelter tomorrow, okay? For Mother's Day. Discuss your severe weather plans with your families and have a way be notified for severe weather tomorrow. Whether it be your TV, radio, or phone to get you to safety, because I understand many people have plans for Mother's Day tomorrow. Alright? So, review your emergency plans with your families in the event that taking shelter is necessary. Especially if you're planning on having outdoor picnics. Maybe move your activities indoors tomorrow because, the risk for severe weather looks serious, especially in the enhanced. Alright? But the slight and marginal can produce pretty big too, but especially the enhanced. Okay? So, yeah, again, take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I'll go over all of this again in tomorrow's Day 1 Severe Weather Outlook video. Take care.